I'm Zoe Lyn from Super Cool Cars with Zoe Lyn, and today we have this super cool and unique rat rod. The owner of this car's name is Bob. He's a wild man. He spells his name backwards. Bob built this super cool rat rod that's a 1963 Chevy Corvair. He built it for the Rat Rod magazine. He built it for the 30th day under 3,000 build-off. He came in second place. Good job, Bob. This Corvair was built on a Chevy S10 4x4 chassis. What makes this car super cool and super unique is that it used to have an engine in the back, and now it has an engine in the front. Super cool. Bob made it look like the engine was exploding from the hood, so he could fit the 283 V8. He built it 3 years ago. He loves it because all of the cool looks it gets. He wouldn't trade it or sell it for anything in the entire world. He said that it's part of his personality. That's what makes him such a cool guy. He built 75% of this car himself. The other 25% his friends helped him. It's good to have friends. I love the copper on this car. It looks so cool. The interior was so rat roddy and so cool. It's the coolest interior I've ever seen in my entire life. I couldn't wait to sit in it. He made the chairs out of creepers. They were way more comfortable than I thought they were gonna be. Let's take a minute to admire how cool this rat rod interior is. Check out all those details. With all the attention this car gets, I'm not surprised that this car was in Rat Rod magazine twice. The only thing I didn't like about the car is that I didn't get to ride in it. Maybe next time. I want to thank Bob for letting me use his super cool car in my video. You've been watching Super Cool Cars with Zoe Lyn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye! We saw Bob at another car show, Rusted Relic Revival Rats for Autism. He won first place, beating my car, but that's okay because his car is super cool too.